Hello YouTube, as you can see here I have a Monitor 3 Fire or EMS pager. Its frequency band is 460 to 450, and this is how you can test your own pager. I'm going to show you how to test your own pager today. I am going to get the software for this and the cradle. It's going to be a ribless cradle. It's coming from Motorola. Let's go ahead and turn on the pager. Make sure it's in the C position switch. Turn it on really quick. Make sure that your finger is pressing the monitor button. Okay. As you can see, there's a red LED receive light saying that your receiving is okay. Press it one more time. As you can see, a green LED showed up. I guess that means your paging will come in loud and clear. Next, we'll turn it off and it'll start vibrating. Now I'm fixing to shut the vibrate off, and it'll tone out. And it'll stop. Press it one more time, and it'll go back into that mode. It also has some other testing features. Switch opening receive and ready to work. I do not know what that one does, to be honest. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off. I went ahead and put my pager in the C position, or D position, excuse me. I'm going to turn it off, and it should work normally. I don't know if y'all can hear that. I'm going to do it one more time. And it works fine. This is a 2-channel pager. Has a privacy ear jack on there. Has a pretty nice belt clip. It takes 2 AAA batteries. Same thing like the Monitor 4. The Monitor V5 takes a rechargeable battery only. It won't take 2 AAAs. I'm sorry about that, everybody out there who has Monitor V5s. I like these. These are better pagers. I just wish mine had a stored voice. Right now, this is a gmrs pager. It's programmed to 600 and 675. Once I get the software, I'm going to reprogram it. I'm not going to tell you which frequencies I'm going to reprogram it to or which, but that's the test of the Monitor 3 pager. I hope y'all have one and enjoy listening to y'all's fire departments tone out on them. I know I will here soon, but this is only good for monitoring, just to let y'all know, not transmitting. But if y'all want a radio to transmit, this is the way to go. MTS 2000 right here. But anyway, this is the Monitor 3 test. Thanks for watching out there.